Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most moist, delicious and flavorful oven grilled fish. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have one fresh red snapper that I did went ahead and washed in lemon juice and vinegar. And to season the fish, I will be using some Old Bay seasoning, complete seasoning, some garlic salt, black pepper, sazon seasoning, some paprika, some of my fresh homemade green seasoning. The link to this will be down in the description box, and I'll be using some tomato sauce. Let's get started. So to get started, we will combine all of the ingredients and mix until well combined. Guys, you can use whatever seasonings you like on your fish. It does not have to be the ones that I'm using, just to make that very clear. My recipes are just guides, but you can, make it your own, and you can use whatever seasonings you prefer or like using. You can use whatever ingredients you like. It's your choice. I usually have people coming for me in the comments, about seasonings or about, ingredients and all that stuff. And I don't understand why people don't know that you can change these things to suit your own liking. So now we'll go ahead and season the fish. And if you notice that I did create some incisions on both sides of the fish so that the seasonings will penetrate deep down into the flesh and the fish will be well seasoned. And guys, if you have not yet tried, some tomato sauce in your seasonings when you're seasoning fish, you should try it. It is so good. All the acidity from the tomatoes, it adds great flavor and a tang to that fish. And I can't explain it, but it is so good. So now we will go ahead and just season our fish really well, all down in the head, the belly, the sides. Put the seasonings all up in those incisions and just make sure that this fish is well coated with that seasonings. And we will just set this aside to, marinate for about, let's say, an hour or two. Because seafood don't take long to marinate. It takes, to seasonings pretty well. It holds the seasonings pretty fast. So we don't need to, have this sitting for a long time. About 1 hour or two is just enough. And then I'll show you guys the next step. So here I have my baking tray all prepped with some tin foil and a rack. And I did place my fish on there. And now we will place this in an oven of 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. If you have a smaller fish, you can do 10 or 15 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, I will now go in and flip the fish to the other side so that both sides can become nice and crispy. And it could have that nice grilled effect. And you don't have to do this next step, but guys, I'm so extra and I don't want to waste anything. So I will go in with the rest of that seasonings that's left in the bottom of my bowl, and I will just brush this fish over top, making sure that the fish has, enough seasonings, and just to use up the seasonings that I have left. And we will place this back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Remember, if you're cooking a smaller fish, you can just do 10 or 15 minutes. So after about 40 minutes in total, guys, our fish is finally done. And look how yummy and scrumptious this fish looks, guys. It is so crispy, it is nice and flavorful, and I can't wait to dig in. So I just wanted to show you guys how moist this fish is on the inside. And I know you guys can't, taste the flavor from the video, but you guys can see how, well seasoned the fish is. Right there, you guys can see all that seasoning. It is so well seasoned and it is super, super delicious, guys. Me and my daughter just dig into this fish and we did not want to stop. My husband, he didn't eat it because he don't like the bones, he don't like the head on the fish, and all that stuff. So me and my daughter had a ball, and I do hope you guys try this recipe. It is so delicious. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious and flavorful oven grilled fish. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!